So I have a Garrard SL95B that the friction lever was sticky on it. So what I did was, I'll show you. You see that hole right there in the cam? I knocked this friction lever out. That's a friction lever with a three sixteenths stirrup punch, small hammer. This friction lever pin right here is 154 thousandths. I used a number 22 drill bit, which is around 157 thousandths, and drilled this hole out on the cam plate. And now it moves extremely free. This needs to move by gravity. Look at this. That's nice. I'm going to put this in and try it with no oil or anything. So, I drilled it from the top right down. I hope this helps out.